To think about the markets that we're building these for. Actually just had a meeting a couple months ago with a really, really poor community. And the politicians from that community immediately got off on, well, we don't want shipping containers in our community. We want 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom houses built out here. And I had to lay down the honesty with them that I was like, I'm sorry guys, like I jumped on Google this morning. There are no grocery stores in this area. There are no gas stations. There's no housing. People are literally living in falling down structures. There's 20 families living in an apartment building sharing one kitchen. And you're talking to me about wants. When there's a reality that a lot of the public and a lot of Americans today are not living on a want basis. They're living on a need basis. So if we can provide super energy efficient, insanely strong housing, whether it's temporary or not, that's what we're gonna focus on doing because we're focusing on the people. It's funny, we have people that fly in on private jets that wanna buy one of these because of the luxury factor. But then we have a lot of people that are like, this is my dream. I would love to live in one of these because I can afford it, you know? And that's where our mission is with our company. And, you know, we're focused on mass production, affordability, strength, all the things that they pretty much said weren't feasible. That's what we're accomplishing on a daily basis.